Are your videos missing subtitles? Losing viewers before they even hit play? Here's the truth. Adding captions isn't just a nice touch. It's the fastest way to open your content to a much bigger audience, from people watching without sound to non-native speakers who follow along with text. And the best part? You don't need any fancy external tools. I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to add them right inside YouTube Studio. No downloads required. So here's the plan. I'll show you 3 methods. You can edit the auto-generated captions, type your own manually, or upload a file you've already prepared. We'll start with the very first step, getting into the right spot. First, head over to your YouTube Studio dashboard. On the left-hand menu, you'll see an option that says Content. Go ahead and click that. This brings up your list of uploaded videos. Find the one you want to add subtitles to, and then look for the little pencil icon next to its title. Click that pencil icon to open up the video details page. Now, once you're on that details page, you'll see a row of tabs across the top. You're looking for one that says Subtitles. Click on that. This is the command center for all your caption work. And right here, you'll see your 3 main options. All right, let's start with the easiest method. Look for a button that says Auto Sync and click it. YouTube actually generates automatic captions for most videos, so you might already have a draft ready. Clicking this will bring up the transcript that YouTube has guessed for you. Now, here is the important thing. Auto-generated captions are rarely perfect. They mess up names, technical terms, and accents. So scroll through, listen to a few sections, and correct any mistakes you spot. It's a quick edit, way faster than typing everything from scratch. But maybe you want total control. That's where typing manually comes in. Go back and click the Type Manually button. This opens up a simple text box and a video player. You'll type what you hear, line by line, and hit Enter to move to the next timestamp. It's not the fastest method, but it gives you perfect accuracy. I've used this for videos with lots of jargon or when I want the timing to be absolutely spot on. And then there's the third option, uploading a file. If you already have a transcript or a subtitle file from another source, like an SRT or VTT file, click Upload File. Browse your computer, select that file, and YouTube will automatically sync the text to your video's timeline. This is a huge time saver if you use a transcription service or if you've already captioned the video elsewhere. Once you've picked your method and made your edits, there's one last step. You'll see a blue Done button. Click it. That saves everything and publishes the subtitles to your video. And that's it. So to recap, the fastest route is usually auto-sync plus a quick proofread. Manual typing gives you precision. Uploading a file is your shortcut if you've already got one ready. Pick the one that fits your workflow. Now you've got subtitles that actually help your viewers, boost your engagement, and make your content accessible to everyone. I'd love to hear which method you end up using most. Drop a comment below. And if this helped, give the video a like so more creators can find this tip. Thanks for watching.